What's going on, everybody? Here we are. It's another week at the Home Theater Hobbyist, and this week we have another unboxing for you. It's a pair of bookshelf speakers. They are the AMES from KLH. First of all, if you are new to the channel, welcome. If you enjoy unboxings like these, product reviews, comparisons, and basically all things home theater, and even if you don't enjoy home theater, click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. So here they are, the AMES from KLH. Now KLH is a recently restarted brand. Some of you may say, man, I've heard about that brand before, but I haven't seen them in a long time. Yeah, they started back in the late 50s and they continue to produce audio equipment all the way through the 80s, but then they took a little break, and in 2017, David Kelly, a longtime Klipsch executive, purchased the brand and restarted it. Now, these speakers were sent to me by Worldwide Stereo. They are a home theater retailer. If you don't know about them, click that link in the description below and you can find out all about the products that they sell. So as you can see, the box is not very big. It's easy to pick up by yourself. Along the front, you've got, it says bookshelf loudspeakers, and it shows a speaker. That's also the case on the side. Even on the bottom, it's got bookshelf loudspeakers. So if you have it dropped off on your porch and you're worried about someone stealing it, definitely be home to receive these, or have a neighbor or someone you trust pick them up for you. Now, as I said, you can pick them up by yourself. I personally have never heard a pair of KLH speakers, so I'm really looking forward to this. And it's enough talking. Got my box cutter. Let's get this thing open. Oh yeah, here we go. There it is. Okay. The manual along with some, the rubber feet. So right there in the bag, we've got the rubber feet and the manual. And on the back, there's that. And this looks like it's going to be a fairly simple unboxing. There's foam there. Wow, that is some foam. I mean, it's very thick. They've done a really good job with these. But they've got these cutouts here because, so if you can't tell, you've got your two speakers here, and apparently you have your speaker grills in a separate compartment down here. So that's pretty cool. And you also have these things to protect the corners from getting smashed. So they've done an excellent job with protecting the speakers here. There's a grill that says KLH. See through it a little bit. Got KLH on the bottom, and that's the speakers are held in right there. Well, I can say that these are pretty dense, and even in picking them up, they're fairly dense. They're not very big, as you can tell, but they are dense. A speaker grill, and that is everything in the box. Ooh. Ooh, now that's pretty. Oh yeah, that's very pretty. They're not obviously they're not very big. They are pretty. It feels very high quality. The thing feels nice. I think that's aluminum there. You got your tweeter there. This is a Kevlar, I think, reinforced woofer, aluminum surrounds. The box is very dense. I mean, this feels very, very high quality. Oh man, so the grills, I thought they had holes in them because you got these little prongs here, but these are actually magnets. So they just clamp on there like that. I like that. I really do like magnetized grills. It just gives it a cleaner look up front. The AMES bookshelf speakers have a frequency response from 60 Hz to 23,000 Hz. It has a sensitivity of 87.5 dB and an impedance of 8 ohms. They stand at 7.5 inches tall by 4 3/4 inch wide by 6 inches deep, and they weigh 5 pounds. They have a 1-inch anodized aluminum tweeter and a 4-inch woven Kevlar woofer. So there you have it, the AMES from KLH. I will be reviewing these. I will take about a day and a half to break them in, then I'll start my review process. If you have questions, put them in the comment section of this video and I will try to address it in my review, which should be out in about a week. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to purchase these, click that link in the description below. We'll talk to you next time.